The Southeast Produce Council celebrates its 20th anniversary as a premier produce resource promoting the consumption of fresh fruits and vegetables. The organization is in Nashville this week for the Southern Innovations Expo. And joining us now for an update is board member Tim Graas. Thanks so much for joining us, Tim. One of Southeast Produce Council's founding pillars is community. Tell us more about how you interact with communities and some of the programs that you have in store.
Hi, good morning, and thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be here. There's a lot of buzzwords out there in the industry in the world today, and one of them is food as medicine, and more importantly, produce as medicine.
Yes.
And so that's one of the things that we try to promote at the Southeast Produce Council. I saw a deal yesterday that mentioned that up to 50% of all cancers could be prevented by eating a food-based or a plant-based diet. So that really lines up with what we try to do in our community, our community involvement that we do at the SEPC. Through our SEPC Cares initiative, we partner up with 5 different community organizations. They're all nonprofits, and we do that. We go out into the community. We try to promote healthy eating and more consumption of fruits and vegetables. So.
Yeah, tell us about some of the various programs. I see you've got Arnold Palmer Hospital for Children as one of those top programs.
So over at the Arnold Palmer Hospital for Children, we sponsor their Healthy Lifestyles Camp every year, and that is really bringing a lot of our member organization employees out. We volunteer and we donate product to that, and we help push and get people to eat more fruits and vegetables and tie that in with proper fitness. We're inclusive of all children with disabilities as well. We also help sponsor the Walk for Winnie, which, by the way, is coming up September 28th, so there's still time to join if you want to do that. So,
helping kids this day and age, we know that obesity is a real problem for young people across the country. Processed foods could be the reason why, and so what you're doing is outstanding. Tell us about what you're doing in Atlanta with the Children's Health Care. So
Children's Health Care of Atlanta, we are the title sponsor for the Superhero Sprint, and we also do the Arnie March in Atlanta as well. Both of those events that we donate a lot of product to help those things be successful, as well as volunteer to go out and make them successful as well.
All right, well, we appreciate what you're doing and for spending some time with us today. Southeast Produce Council board member Tim Graas, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.